Hey guys, welcome back. So today I've just got my package from I Heart K-pop and I'm going to be opening it. So I'm starting to open it now. So I did get 4 albums. I'm so excited. So you start to see a little bit. So this is what I've got. So I'm so excited. So I've just opened it. So I've got some cards. So I've got, oh, I got these Loma. I love shiny cards. So, oh my god, Felix. Oh my god, I love this. Thank you for the freebies. And photo cards. Come on, oh, come on, who did I get? Oh, yes. Oh my god, thank you. Oh my god, look at this Hyunjin. Oh my god, he looks so good. Oh my god, these two have to be my favorites. I haven't seen this one. Oh my god. Yes, so I've got the Make Star one. I've got these store benefit ones. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay. So first I'm gonna open is the Skitsu version. So see. So hoping to get this one. Didn't red. Let's go. So got there. Oh my god, look at how good they look. Bangchan, Lena. No, Bangchan, Ian, Changbin, oh Hyunjin, Felix, Sangmin, I no, I think Leo. Oh my god, they all look so good. Oh my god, Felix! Oh my god, it's one of my favorites. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be the best. Love these. These here. Now it's time to see what I got in here. Come on. I think. Oh, look at that. Changbin into a hair. Oh, so excited. No, so it is. Okay. Lena. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, thank you. I love it. Is that one? Good little hearing as well. Sit right here. Next, got the quarterly. So I got the Hyunjin one. So let's open that one. Oh, I reach into it. So I'm just gonna unwrap it. I've just unwrapped it. So let's see what's inside. No, don't come out now. I want to open it. So, oh my gosh, how good he looks. It's that one. Oh my god. That one. Opens it up. I haven't seen any of what the unboxing, so I want to have a surprise. So, oh my gosh, you see, no, you can see it, but that's how it looks. See it? Okay, put that over here. Now for the photo cards. See who I get. Let's see. Okay. Oh my gosh, So I got Bang Chen and I got Felix, our Aussie boys. I'm so excited. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, I love the stickers as well. That one. Got the lyrics. And now for our next one is, got another one I'm gonna open. Oh my gosh, look at that. Alino, Changmin, Yanjie, Gahan, oh, Felix, Xiangmin, and Ian. It's got one. Now, that one. That's our freebie. Oh wow, got so much stuff. I just got opened it up and oh, it's just a surprise. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it. So that's unbox. Go for it. Looks so cool. And oh my god, I love these. So they all look so good. So I'll post all that in the after when I've done our unboxing as well, so I don't take too long. Let's see who I get. Oh my god, Felix! Oh my gosh, I definitely love this one. This has got to be one of my favourites. And then we've got some stickers as well. That one. And I've got a nice poster, so that I'll hang that on my K-pop shelf as well. That one. See if I've got them all. Yeah. Yes. Now the last album that there is this one. If I hold it the right way. So let's do it. Wrapped in as well, so that makes it good. So that's that one. That one. Oh, look at the, oh, I don't, so I realise I can't see it. So that's here. So you got Jenny, Lino. Then you got Chengmin, Yanjin. Oh my god, I'm definitely loving this one. So, oh, you got a little handy. I just had too much storage. So we got Felix, Xiangmin, and Ian. So some posters, binder sheets, as well as a wristband as well. So I'll put that in the photos as well. Now I'm going to show you what I got as photo cards. So these are what I have got. So all these. I'm obsessive. Now for the photo cards. Got Jisung, and I've got Felix, Sungwin, and Han as well. Thank you K-pop Heart for these, and I will see you guys in the next